Hello, I'm Carla, and today, my darlings, we are looking at part 4 of our monster thrift haul of items that I've been buying to decorate our Edwardian home in London, England. This video has 11 amazing metal pieces that we are incorporating into our daily life. As always, I've included the schoolgirl errors I made when thrifting these items. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know which items are your favourite and which pieces you already have in your home. Here's a wine coaster that I purchased from an Emmaus store. It was absolutely filthy. I paid £1 for it. So we can now see the maker's mark. That was £1, and normally when the items are filthy you can't see the marks, which I couldn't, and that's why I only paid £1. Before I purchased this one, I had treated myself to this one, which is not as high quality. That one is a Viner's maker's mark. This one I paid slightly more for because it came from eBay. I think I paid £5, but then you add delivery, so it probably worked out at £8, and that was already clean. Next, I just picked up a few little silver items. This one was just very bright, very pretty, just £1 at a car boot sale, and I don't think that's silver plate, I just think that's a very shiny metal tray. Whereas this next one I purchased, and that is silver plate. Again, was filthy. You can see that it's got the stamp on it. This one is definitely silver plate and it required a clean. I paid £1. Then this one was also £1 and it was black silver, and the dealers, when they sold it to me, they just laughed because they thought I couldn't clean it, but I did clean it with baking soda, and I haven't polished it past baking soda, I've just done that so far. And once I cleaned it, you can see a stamp on it, and it is definitely silver plate. So I paid £1 for a silver plate tray, and these are really just little either trinket dishes or serving dishes. That's how I use them. So if girlfriends are coming over, you can put some little French fancies or whatever on them to have with your coffee. Then you've got a solid brass trivet. I just bought that at the Hook car boot sale for £5. It's quite heavy. One leg is a little bit wonky, but it stands solidly. With some of the dealers or the house clearance guys, you just select a few items and then they just give you a price that covers everything. And actually I bought 2 items which totaled £13, and the guy was like, I'm only going to charge you 12 because 13 is unlucky. So I thought, whoopee, happy me. so that's good. This is quite cute. This is brass again, a tiny little plant holder, and then I've just propagated one of my little money plants to grow in that. So if you chuck it in the window, it will grow quickly. I paid £3.50, and that was in a charity shop in Wallington in Surrey. Lots of the places that I'm referring to are just outside Greater London, or they're on the south coast of England. This one is a mistake. So this is a cast iron trivet, which someone has obviously painted with paint which is not heat proof, or they've been special and put it directly on a flame. So I only paid £1. I thought, oh, that's fine, I'll try and clean it. But I've tried to clean the burn mark with baking soda, with bleach, with just good old fashioned washing up liquid, and it doesn't work. And I said to my brother, oh, I'm going to use the heat proof paint that we put inside the chimneys. And he said, no, the problem you've got is someone's painted it in a paint which is not heat resistant. So even if I put the heat resistant paint over the top, it's not going to achieve the desired result, because as soon as I put something hot on there, it could bubble because the base isn't good enough. This I found at the Detling car boot. It's a little silver trinket box. It says made in India. So someone's tried to clean it already. It's very shiny inside versus out. It needs a clean, or I can leave it tarnished. It's really heavy. I don't think it's silver, but it has a 2.5 stamp in the corner, but not a 925 sterling silver stamp. So I don't know what that means in India. I'll have a little look, see if I can find any rationale for it as to what it means. But either way, it's just a pretty piece I can store stuff in, because that's what we do, right? We store stuff. Oh my darlings, I nearly forgot one. So look at this huge bowl. Again, hand check. Look at the hand versus the bowl. Huge. Beautiful bowl, solid brass, with these amazing peacocks and flowers. So absolutely beautiful. 4 peacocks, lots of flowers and a central design. Solid brass. Look at this beauty. I can see an inscription. I don't know if you can see, it's just here. Follow my finger now. There's an inscription around the edge, which that's the first time I've noticed it. Footed pedestal bowl, absolutely stunning, at a car boot sale, but it was at a charity car boot stall, £2. So how pretty is that? And yes, I did have to clean it, and yes, it was filthy, blah, blah, blah. So expect a bit of grime if you want to pick up beautiful items at a great price. Wonderful. Final one on the metals. This is, I believe, a silver plate rose bowl that was virtually pitch black when I got it. It was out of a hospice charity shop in Surrey. That dark mark is after I've done the baking soda clean. I haven't tried to polish it any further than that, really. Look how cute. It's got the little lion heads. I can't find any markings, which is very interesting. So no markings. 2 little lion head handles. I'm pretty sure it's silver plate because it cleans so perfectly with my mix that I did. That's on a separate video, by the way, in case you want to watch it. And it's still got the flower frog. And I paid just £5. So it's just a perfect size to either just sit in the middle of the table, sit in the hallway. It's not imposing at all, it's just the right size. And actually I've got it on a display unit in my office above where I sit. So very, very pretty, very shiny, and I will do a proper polish on that one day. So that's my haul. If you haven't seen part 1, 2 and 3 of our monster haul, then please check out our Thrifted home decor playlist. There you'll find amazing glassware, ceramics and woodware video hauls, which will hopefully inspire you to recycle beautiful home decor items.